step. Here we are on the main page of LinkedIn, and at the top right hand side we have work. And if you scroll down here, the last option is create company page. If you are watching this video in the future, maybe there is a chance that LinkedIn changed the interface, but here in this area is what you will find the create company page link. So click on that. And excellent, now we have the option to enter the company page information. So first we enter the company name. Let's enter @Mind, which is my company, and they are saying a page with this company name already exists on LinkedIn, but you can still create this page. Are you sure you are not creating a duplicate? Yes, I am sure, because this is the first one I'm creating. Maybe there is another one which is similar, but this is mine. So now I am happy with the name. Now I need to choose the company URL. You see here linkedin.com/company/ and you will find you need to enter your username or your URL. In this case, let's try @Mine. Excellent, looks like it's available. So here you need to enter basically the name of your company or some of the username that you want to use for your account. And remember that this link is important because this link we will use to share with your audience. So when you are promoting your LinkedIn page, you can say, hey guys, please go to linkedin.com/company/ @Mine, which is my company page. Okay. So you can click this if you can confirm that you are a representative of the company and you have the right to create this page. And if you have, you click this and click create page. Okay, here we have an error message, and this is good because you are seeing here that this URL already exists and they are asking me to modify it. So that's good. Let me LLC here at the end and create page. So I changed the URL and I created a new one. Welcome to the company page. Let's close this. And here we are in the first stage of your company page. We will customize all these to make sure it's super optimized for your audience and to make sure it's optimized like this one from Starbucks, for example, or this one from Nike, with all the great information about your company, website, location, and all that. And we will start doing that in the next video. Profile ready on your business.
Subscribe to my channel.